Two heavyweights in the smartphone world go head-to-head. Apple's latest iPhone 16 Plus versus Motorola's Edge 50 Pro. Which one really delivers? On one side, the iPhone 16 Plus. Bigger screen, smarter AI, and signature pro-grade performance. And on the other, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, packed with premium features, a pro camera setup, and astonishingly fast charging. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. We're scoring each category, and at the end, you'll know exactly which phone claims the crown. The winner might surprise you. Okay, before we start nitpicking, here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing. We've got release date, display, performance, memory and storage, battery, camera system, design, durability, OS and ecosystem, and, of course, price. Each one matters. Some more than others, depending on your vibe. So, starting off, release date. The iPhone 16 Plus is hot off the press, literally just dropped in late 2025. You know, it's got that fresh out the lab energy, the kind Apple fans get hyped over every year. Meanwhile, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, it came out back in April 2024, which honestly makes it feel a bit like last year's news. Does it affect day-to-day use? Maybe not a ton, but hey, if you're chasing the latest and greatest, the iPhone is clearly the newer kid on the block. Next up, display. Okay, for both these guys, it's hard to complain. iPhone 16 Plus lands with a big Super Retina XDR display, high brightness, and ProMotion, so scrolling is as smooth as butter. But then, Motorola jumps in with a stunning 6.7-inch 144Hz P-OLED display. Pantone validated for literally professional-level color accuracy. Honestly, both are top tier. You want color precision, you go Moto. Brighter and smoother, Apple's right there. I'd call this one a tie. And I mean it. Moving over to performance! The iPhone 16 Plus runs Apple's next-gen A-series chip, so you know it's fast, consistent, and it'll hold that speed for years. Plus, Apple nails long-term support. Now, Motorola Edge 50 Pro, it's rocking the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Quick, good for multitasking, but you won't be confusing it with a flagship chip. It's got power, just not that pro-level raw speed. So honestly, if smooth performance across the board is a must, iPhone wins this round. Oh, and here's something fun before we wrap the comparison. Did you know the original iPhone only had a 3.5-inch screen? Yeah, we've come a long way. Now flagships are pushing 6.7 inches and beyond. Wild, right? Let's talk memory and storage. iPhone 16 Plus gives you options from 128 gigabytes up to 512 gigabytes, and RAM management stays solid as ever. But you'd think for the price, base storage would be higher, right? Plus, no expandable slots. Typical Apple. Now, Motorola Edge 50 Pro, this is where things get spicy. Up to 12 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage. That's a lot for the money, even if there's no memory card slot. For big app junkies or photo hoarders, Moto clearly takes this one. Battery time. The iPhone 16 Plus is doing its usual thing. Efficient chip, optimized software, and Apple still kind of keeps charge specs vague until launch, so that's annoying. Meanwhile, Moto Edge 50 Pro goes absolutely bananas with charging speed. I mean, 125 watt wired and 50 watt wireless, that's crazy fast, like coffee break to full battery level. Okay, the battery capacity's 4,500 milliamp hours. Not huge, but the charging's so insane, it kind of makes up for it. For battery, Moto is the clear winner. Camera system. Here's something cool. The iPhone 16 Plus is packing some new AI photo and video features. Pro-level stuff. Plus that legendary Apple processing. Exact lens details are still a mystery, so maybe no telephoto on the base? We'll see. Comparatively, Moto Edge 50 Pro puts up a fight with a triple camera setup. 50 megapixel main, 13 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. Plus Pantone color validation. But if you're chasing photography excellence, Apple's edge in image processing and features gives it the win this time. Design time! iPhone 16 Plus goes all premium, rocking titanium, matte glass, and that classic, iconic Apple vibe. Although it might be on the heavier side, and, color variety isn't always wild. Moto Edge 50 Pro. Curved P-OLED, vegan leather finish, and it's lighter in hand. But yeah, some versions use plastic backs, so that's a toss-up depending on your taste. Both are designed to stand out, and honestly, it's a tie. Depends if you like classic or bold. Now, durability, okay, gotta hand it to both phones here. They each have official IP68 ratings, so spills or dust shouldn't get you sweating. No real difference. Both will survive a day at the pool or beach, at least until you knock them off a cliff or something. Another straight-up tie. OS and ecosystem. iPhone 16 Plus comes with iOS 19, and oh man, if you live in the Apple universe, Macs, iPads, watches, it's just super seamless. Downside, you're pretty much locked into Apple world. Moto Edge 50 Pro, clean Android experience, some cool Moto-specific gestures, desktop mode, and USB-C video out. That's utility. But yeah, less app optimization and shorter OS support. So if you want updates for ages, Apple is the safer bet.
Price. Let's get real for a second.
iPhone 16 Plus will cost you. Premium pricing all the way, but it holds resale value so you won't get burned if you upgrade next year. On the other hand, Motorola Edge 50 Pro is priced aggressively, loaded with flagship level features for way less cash. If you want major bang for your buck, Moto's your clear winner here. All right, you probably want to see the scores lined up, category by category. So picture that radar chart. iPhone 16 Plus dominates in release date, performance, camera, and ecosystem, but Moto Edge 50 Pro kills it with memory, charging, and price. Some categories, honestly, are neck and neck. So, what do I actually think? iPhone 16 Plus is, hands down, the best pick for anyone deep into the Apple ecosystem who cares about top performance, pro-grade cameras, and future resale value. But here's where it gets interesting. The Edge 50 Pro absolutely smashes value for money. Gives you close to flagship features, charging that'll blow your mind, and a gorgeous display for way less dough. So if price is your deal breaker, or you just want more storage and a flashy screen, the Moto is a genuine contender. If you found this helpful, hit follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next